Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. CES 2026 just wrapped up in Las Vegas. And wow, this year was packed with jaw-dropping tech. I spent days on the show floor checking out the coolest new gear from the biggest brands, and we've rounded up the absolute best tech from CES 2026, all in one place. So if you're ready to see what the future looks like, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's dive in. Let's go. Starting with the best design, the LG Wallpaper OLED TV Evo W6. A pencil. That's about how thin the new LG Wallpaper TV is at just 9mm thick, and it's a sight to behold. This TV nearly disappears when you look at it from the sides, and it offers a huge improvement over the original Wallpaper TV from 2017. It's wireless. The new Wallpaper TV also boasts hyper-radiant color technology, which improves black levels, color vibrancy, and brightness in a panel that offers the lowest reflectance among LG TVs. This is the ultimate design statement. The Roborock S6 Max 5 is the best robot vacuum. At CES 2026, we saw a few companies try to tackle that problem, but the Roborock Saros Rover did it with the most elegance. This RoboVac has two wheels at the end of extendable legs that can lift it up, one step at a time, to go from one floor of your house to the next. It's also pretty agile. In our hands-on with the Saros Rover, we saw it lean back and forth on each leg, glide effortlessly down a ramp, and even jump up and down. Perfect stair-climbing innovation. The Hisense RGB MiniLED 116 UXS is the best TV. You can't walk more than 15 feet in the Las Vegas Conference Center without seeing a sign for some brand's mini RGB technology. But of all the brands, Hisense has come away with the best model, a 116-inch behemoth. This is the most colorful TV you've ever seen in your life. The trade-off is that it's not the slimmest, nor does it have the best anti-glare filter, but the picture is absolutely sublime. If Hisense manages to shrink this display technology and bring it to its award-winning mid-range models, it's game over for the competition. The Lenovo Legion Pro Rollable is the best concept. If there's one thing that's inevitable, it's Lenovo introducing a fun rollable display concept at CES. Simply put, it would be the perfect bridge between my home gaming setup of an ultra-wide monitor and my gaming laptop. A display that can extend from the 16-inch 16 to 9 panel all the way up to 24 to 9 at an impressive 24 inches at a 240 Hz refresh rate. Whatever genre of game you're playing, you've got exactly the right screen aspect ratio to play it with. Perfect gaming flexibility. The Xreal One S are the best smart glasses. Well, I mean, it had to be the Xreal One S, right? There were a whole lot of smart glasses on the show floor. But when I see glasses that offer maximum bang for your buck like these, there's no real alternative. The Xreal One S packs all the features of its bigger sibling, the Xreal One, while also improving them and reducing the price by $50. Next, the additional Neo Hub is easily the best way to connect to a Nintendo Switch 2. And third, that X1 chip on board can transform any 2D content to 3D super fast, and it really works well. The Samsung S95H OLED is the best TV value. It feels a bit strange nominating a flagship QD OLED TV for best TV value. But hear me out. It's a gorgeous all-metal design that looks both sleek and minimalist. Will it be cheap when it releases later this year? Probably not. But at a show that's absolutely bursting at the seams with massive micro and mini RGB TVs, it's the most affordable option in its class. Perfect flagship value. The Dell XPS 14 2026 is the best laptop. You get the latest Intel Core Ultra Series 3 processors, an amazingly vibrant tandem OLED display that can scale all the way down to 1 Hz, and a redesigned 70-watt-hour battery that promises up to 27 hours of juice with the 2K LCD display option. Plus, the physical functional keyboard has returned, and there's proper etching around the touchpad. more compact than the MacBook Air. The Asus Zenbook Duo is the best 2-in-1 laptop. The Asus Zenbook Duo finally did the thing I always wanted it to do. The redesign makes this 2-in-1 truly shine by eliminating the distracting lip between those two 14-inch OLED panels. On top of that, the battery is now shared between both sides for better weight distribution. The aluminum chassis is slimmer and sleeker, and this comes strapped with Intel Core Ultra Series 3. The Motorola Razr Fold is the best phone. Motorola has officially joined the book-style foldable phone race, and it could very well give Samsung and Google a run for their money. The Motorola Razr Fold features a 6.6-inch cover display and a huge 8.1-inch internal screen that's slightly bigger than the Galaxy Z Fold 7. The device is pretty thin when open, and I especially like the soft touch finish on the lily white color option. You also get a trio of 50-megapixel rear cameras and access to Motorola's helpful AI tools. The Asus ROG Swift OLED PG34 WCDN is the best monitor. Upon first glance, I was immediately blown away by the visuals. This 34-inch QD-OLED display with next-gen RGB stripe pixel OLED technology boasts an 1800 RWQHD curved panel. Asus claims this is the world's first RGB OLED gaming monitor on the market. It offers a 40% uplift in perceived blacks thanks to the ROG Black Shield film, along with richer colors, perfect for gamers and creatives. The HyperX Clutch Tachi is the best gaming peripheral. If you're a serious fighting game fan, then you're no doubt excited about the HyperX Clutch Tachi leverless controller. Utilizing TMR magnetic switches, the Clutch Tachi promises to be one of the most responsive and accurate controllers of its kind. Beyond its promising performance, the Clutch Tachi features an ergonomic design. The controller is also small and light enough to easily carry. NVIDIA DLSS 4.5 is the best gaming innovation. NVIDIA dropped a proverbial bomb when it announced the updated NVIDIA DLSS 4.5. The company is now targeting 4K path-traced gaming at 240 frames per second. Anyone using low to mid-range RTX 40 or RTX 50 series GPUs can enjoy smoother and sharper gameplay without breaking the bank. NVIDIA DLSS is already the gold standard for AI-powered frame generation. The MSI Stealth 16 AI Plus is the best gaming laptop. Finally, MSI gave the Stealth 16A I Plus a significant redesign to actually be a much more premium notebook. You can spec it up to an RTX 5090 with an Intel Core Ultra 9386H and a whopping 128 gigabytes of RAM. All of it is kept impressively cool with a well-thought-out thermal optimization package that ensures maximum wattage to make the most of that 240Hz OLED display. The Aqara U400 is the best smart lock. What if you could just walk up to your door and have it magically unlock without you having to do anything? Thanks to its use of ultra-wideband technology, it can sense when you and your iPhone or Apple Watch are approaching your door and will unlock it automatically. The technology is good enough that it can recognize if you're merely walking past your door. The Strut is the best rideable for everyone. What if your electric scooter had a self-driving mode? That's one of the coolest features of the Strut EV1, a new kind of four-wheeled personal electric vehicle that can get you from point A to point B by you simply telling it where you want to go. Strut is marketing the EV1 as fun personal transportation, but we can see it being very useful to those with mobility issues. The Withings Body Scan 2 is the best wellness monitor. Withings is doubling down on at-home preventative health monitoring. In 90 seconds, this smart scale can provide deep insights using a whopping 60 biomarkers. I tested it and discovered my heart health, vascular health, muscle-to-fat ratios, and visceral fat levels. All metrics are accompanied by text explaining how each score was determined. Priced at $599 and expected to ship around summer 2026, my favorite aspect is just how easy it is to use. All right, everyone, that wraps up the best innovations from CES 2026. These are the technologies shaping 2026 and beyond. Drop a comment and tell me which reveal was your favorite. If you enjoyed the recap, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech coverage, and I'll catch you in the next one.